loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Sindhu here. In today's video, I'm going to share all my sari collections that are here in the US, and I also have a lot of saris in India. I will share the sari collection in India when I visit India. But today in this video, I'm going to share these saris, and along with that, I'm going to share the stories behind the sari. Because when I was draping all these saris for this video, I couldn't stop myself from thinking all those beautiful moments and how I bought the sari and why and all that. So I really wanted to share those with you also. So that's why today I'm sharing both the saris and the stories behind the saris. Wow, it sounds good. And because I'm sharing all these stories, it's going to be a very long video. That's why I thought I'll make it into part 1 and part 2, if not like part 3 also. I don't know how long it's going to get. So when I wanted to share the sari collection, the very first sari that I wanted to show you was this one. This is the very first sari that I draped here on my YouTube channel, and that's the video that got me a lot of beautiful subscribers like you. And because of that reason, I'm quite emotionally attached to this sari. And this sari I got from Studio 3 Drapes for around 2000 rupees, I guess. Initially, I saw Nayanthara wore this sari in a picture or somewhere, and I really loved it, and I wanted to hunt down and buy the sari. And that's the beginning stage of people selling on Instagram. And so I found this sari and I bought it. It's super good quality, and it's a khadi sari, and it's so simple and beautiful. It has 2 shades of green, and the border and everything is so simple, and the simplicity is what gives the sari the edge. And the next sari is this grey one, and this is the very first time I'm draping this sari, to be honest, because this sari, Tanya Fashions from Instagram, she sent this sari to me to showcase on my videos, and I couldn't get to it at all because she didn't insist on that. She just told, I want to gift you this, and she sent this to me, and she's such a sweet woman. And I just took it out and I draped it, and this is such a soft cotton sari, and you can see even this is really simple and looks so elegant on me. And the grey and the reds and the blackness in the grey, it's like a charcoal grey, and it looks so beautiful. Thank you so much, Tanya. If you're watching this video, thank you so much for sending the sari. And the next sari is this one. This is such a beautiful one. This color, when you look at it, it looks like it's going to be a little flashy, and of course it's quite a bit flashy, but it looks so beautiful to wear. And the colors, this lime green, this orange, this pink, this is a beautiful combination. I love this. And if you see, the motifs are embroidered onto it. It's it's not embroidered, sorry, it's like a patchwork, and it is done so perfectly. This sari I got it from Sri Devi Silks in Coimbatore. I'm from Coimbatore, so I got it from there. And there was no occasion. We went to the store to buy sari for someone. I don't remember for whom, but I saw this sari there and I really loved it, and I asked my dad to buy it for me, and he kindly bought it for me. Usually my dad doesn't do that, but that day he was so happy. I don't know why or what. He bought the sari for me, and I really love this sari. It's been I think it's been 8 years since I bought this sari. Yeah, it's so beautiful. And the next sari is this one. This sari I got it for a review, Amazon sari reviews. I'll link that video also down below. And it is such a beautiful sari. This ivory white will look so elegant on all skin tones, and it looks so beautiful. The border is so big. I don't really like big borders, but this border is cut into red and this golden cherry, and this looks really beautiful. I love this sari. I don't remember how much it costed. One side, as you can see, the one side it has the big border, and the other side it has the pink border, and this looks so lovely and elegant. I really loved wearing this sari. I wore it during my pregnancy also. It was so comfortable, and it really feels nice and well, and it's really well made. I think this is the only sari that I kept, that I bought from the Amazon for the review, and it looks really beautiful. And the next sari is this linen sari. This linen sari is from Tanya Fashions too. I bought this saree, it was around 6,000 I think. And this is also, linen sarees are really beautiful and elegant. This saree, this I got for my Diwali. I think after my wedding, it was the third Diwali. Yes, I got this saree for my third Diwali with my husband. Okay, as you can see, it looks really elegant and it has those like tiny pom-poms on the pallu, and it makes it so cute and also beautiful. You can wear this saree for any occasion, and I really love this saree. Oh, I really want to drape it right now while I'm holding it. Such a pretty one, and the pink color elevates the look. It gives that edge to this saree. You know, the brown is elevated with that pink, and the silver. It's not totally silver. It's a bit of a copperish silver border, and it's like really beautiful, and it has that like copperish silver zari all over the pallu. And the next saree is this white linen from Studio 3 Drapes again, and this is also such a beautiful saree. This is my very first linen saree, and I really this is the time when the linen sarees got in the market, or like it caught my attention at least. And I really love the white. It's not like a pure white. For my skin tone, pure white doesn't look that great, but this ivory shade of like white looks so beautiful on my skin tone. So yeah, and also it has like a silver zari border, which makes it look really beautiful. And also in the pallu, if you see, it has like these floral motifs that makes it so elegant, and it also has tassels in the end of the pallu, which is a very very beautiful touch according to me. Because it's white and linen, it is a bit see-through, so I like to wear blouses that are like not like a regular blouse, but like, you know, a shirt blouse or something like that. And whenever I wear white color, it reminds me of one of my college friend Hasina. Hi Hasi, if you're watching this, I know you'll be watching this, because she has such a beautiful dark skin tone. She has such a beautiful dark skin tone, honestly, and white looks amazing on her. White, not like this ivory white, but pure white. Pure white looks so beautiful on her. I still remember one day she was wearing a white dress, and she looked like an angel, and I kept telling it to her, and she wouldn't like believe in me, saying that she's dark and all that. And I honestly think dark skin is so beautiful, and I really wish more people appreciate their like skin tone rather than thinking that fair or like being in the white and fair side of the skin tone is good. No, skin tone, we all have beautiful skin tone. Like, we need to appreciate ourselves. That's when other people will appreciate us. And honestly, who needs others' appreciation? If we appreciate ourselves, that is all enough. For me, I can never relate to the colorism that has been like going on, or like people who have been bullied because of their skin tone. But I think that's totally wrong. You should never compare your skin tone to anyone. Also, you should never put someone down because of their skin tone. And honestly, all skin tones are beautifully made, and we have to respect that, and we need to see the beauty in every skin tone, every body type, and all that. I am a big advocate for that. Like, body shapes, everyone are beautiful, everyone are unique and made beautifully. And I hope you all appreciate that, and like, give compliments. Next time when you see someone, look what is so beautiful on them, give them the compliment. It will make their day. No matter the gender, no matter the age, try to give them a compliment. They'll feel so happy, and you will feel happy. Honestly, if you compliment someone, you will also feel so happy. Okay, the next saree is this one from Studio Virupa. I really got this saree for the reason you people keep asking me to do a Onam saree draping tutorial. So that's the reason I bought this. I haven't worn this saree at all. I just like draped it for this video and Onam saree. Do I need to say how beautiful is this? It looks flattering on all skin types and all body shapes and sizes. And this is such a beautiful saree. I have owned a lot of Onam sarees and during my undergrad, the college that I studied is in the border of like Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So we always had beautiful Onam celebrations. So every year we would wear a Onam sari. I have had saris with this kind of border, but this one is so unique because it has those check details in it, and it looks really beautiful. And this sari is such a pretty sari, and I'll definitely do a Onam sari draping tutorial very soon. I can't wait to do it. This sari is also from Tanya Fashions, and she sent me this sari along with that grey sari that I shared few minutes ago, like in the beginning of the video. And this is also such a beautiful green color, and it has like beautiful design or the motif. But the thing is, this sari is not really comfortable to wear. Maybe if I like wash it once or twice, it will get better. And this is the first time I wore this sari, and I'm not really fan of the pallu, but most of the people will like that pallu, but it's not my taste. But still, this sari is such a beautiful sari, but it was like bit sticky. If you see in the video, you will know. It was a bit sticky and it was not that comfortable for me to wear, but as I said, if I wash it once or twice, I think it will get better. And yeah, such a beautiful sari. I don't have anything else to share about this sari except for like saying, Tanya, thank you so much for these two saris, and I really appreciate it, and thank you. And the next sari is this one. This is a sari that I bought for my birthday, and this is the very first sari that I bought for a birthday. And I was in my final year of my undergraduation, and I really wanted to buy a sari for my birthday. So I took my brother and went to PSR Silks in Coimbatore, and my brother kind of like, I don't know whether he chose this sari. I don't think he chose this sari because I picked the sari and I asked him if he liked it or something like that, and he really liked it also. And I bought this sari. It has beautiful like thread work all over the sari, and again it is not a very extravagant sari, but it has such a beautiful pallu and the thread work all over the sari with the here and there tiny sparkling chumkas. What are these called? What are these called? For a minute I forgot. Okay, whatever. So it is such a beautiful sari. I definitely wore it a lot of times. I think a lot of times by meaning, I think 5 or 6 times, and it looks so beautiful on me. I have had like so many people compliment me with this sari, and I also remember like I wore this sari and like drove my Activa. Yes, I drove Activa, and my brother was like following me because we went somewhere. I went somewhere and went to meet my older cousin, and my brother was also somewhere, and he also came along, and we cousins all met somewhere, and me and my brother were like coming back from the restaurant, and because you know I'm his little sister, he was following me to make sure I drive safe and all that. And a guy who saw me with this sari on the road while I was driving, he made like a comment. He was like, oh my god, literally he commented this. He was like, bah, wow, this is his comment. Literally this was his comment. And my brother, after he came home, and like, why did he comment it like that and all that? I was like, what can I do? Blah blah blah, you know. Being an 18-year-old and a guy commenting like that when I was driving, it was a bit, you know, how to call it? Embarrassing? Yeah, it was like that. But looking at it right now, when I'm like in my late 20s, I feel like that guy didn't think much about it. He just like expressed what he thought. But that is not right? Yes, because I was annoyed. I was embarrassed in the middle of the road. So that was not right, but looking at it right now, it sounds like a funny story. But yeah, that's the story behind this sari. It is such a beautiful sari again. And the next sari is such a beautiful purple sari. It's like a cotton silk kind of a sari, and it has like beautiful gold border. This was my very first sari that I got in US. I didn't buy this. This was a gift from one of my husband's aunt's friends. Yes. So it was a gift from Gauri auntie. Thank you, Gauri auntie. I really like appreciate it. This kind of makes me feel good because this is the first sari that someone gifted me here in the US. So it's such a pretty color, and also like when I wear it, it feels so soft and it's elegant and beautiful. I can't describe more than that. And yeah, it's such a pretty sari, and because it's a gift, it's even more prettier. And the next sari I have here is my grandmother's. I haven't worn this sari. I actually got this from her to do a DIY or like stitch a skirt or something like that. If my grandmother hears this, she's going to yell to the screen saying that don't cut that sari, don't make that sari into anything. But you know, the reason why I got this here is to do something with it, but I haven't like gotten to it. And also I have never draped it before this, and this is also a pretty black sari. I think it will be good even if I wear it. I think it looks good even when I'm wearing it. It's such a simple one. There is nothing special to this other than it's my grandmother's sari. Yeah, that is it. So this is the end of part 1 of my sari collections. I have shared all my cotton and linen saris, and thank you so much for watching until now. If you liked it, please let me know in the comment section. And also my loves, I want to hear a sari story from you. Let me know when was the first time you bought a sari, or like when is the first time you wore a sari, other than like we all have this ceremony after we come of age. Other than that, when is the first time you wore a sari and how you felt wearing a sari? Please let me know in the comment section. I'm eager to know that. Thank you so much for watching this video. It really feels good to be back on YouTube, and I really appreciate you watching this video till the end. Click here and watch this next video from my channel, and also click this circle and subscribe to my channel. And I really appreciate you sticking around. Thank you so much, my pinks, and I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, be kind to one another. Bye bye. With love, Sindhu.